Today I'm going to show you step by step how to add a professional, eye-catching welcome message pop-up to your WordPress website, completely free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to greet your visitors with a polished pop-up, boost engagement, and start your site off on a friendly note, all without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. To get started, we'll use a free plugin called Popup Maker. It's honestly one of the most popular plugins for pop-ups, offering great features and tons of control over how and when your message appears. So from your WordPress dashboard, look over at the left sidebar and click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type in Popup Maker. When the plugin pops up in the results, it's usually one of the first ones. Click Install Now, and as soon as it installs, hit Activate. You'll notice a new Popup Maker item appears in your sidebar, which means you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to actually create your welcome message pop-up. Click on that Popup Maker menu in your sidebar and select Create New. This opens up a new page where you can really get creative. For organizational purposes, give your pop-up a name so you can easily find it later. Something like Welcome Message Pop-up works great. Next, you'll add your actual welcome content using the familiar WordPress editor. You can keep it simple with a warm text message, throw in an image to personalize things, or even use a form shortcode if you want visitors to sign up for something right away. The beauty here is that you have flexibility. Just remember, less can sometimes be more when it comes to pop-ups. A crucial part of setting up your pop-up is controlling when it shows up, and that's done in the Triggers section. Think of triggers like the doorman for your pop-up. They decide when it opens for each visitor. Scroll down and find the Triggers area, then click Add New Trigger. For most welcome messages, you'll want the pop-up to show right away or after a brief pause, so pick Time Delay/Auto Open from the dropdown. You can set the pop-up to appear instantly by entering 0 milliseconds, or if you want to give people a few seconds to get settled, try 3000 milliseconds for a gentle 3-second delay. Go ahead and click Add. If you want to avoid annoying users with the same pop-up every time they visit, explore the cookie settings here. This lets you prevent the pop-up from showing repeatedly to the same user during their session or for a set duration. It's a little like setting a timer so your greeting appears thoughtfully, not intrusively. Let's talk about the appearance, because the way your pop-up looks can make a big difference. Jump into the display settings to customize the theme, size, and position. Popup Maker gives you options like Lightbox for a classic overlay or Hello Box for a subtle banner. Adjust the size to make sure your message fits without covering the whole screen, and pick animation effects if you want your pop-up to gently fade in, slide down, or pop into view. These little touches help integrate the pop-up with your website style, ensuring a smooth, professional feel. Targeting is next. This controls where your pop-up shows up. By default, it shows on every page, but maybe you only want it on the homepage or just certain posts. Go to the targeting section and fine-tune this. You can be very specific, even down to posts, pages, or categories. Also, double-check that it displays correctly on desktop, tablet, and mobile, so no visitor feels left out. Before you set it live, use the preview function to see exactly how your pop-up looks and behaves on your actual website. This step is really important. Sometimes the spacing might need a tweak, or the pop-up might be too big on mobile, so take a moment here to review. Once you're happy, scroll to the top and hit Publish. And just like that, your welcome message pop-up is live for all your visitors to see. And there you have it, a free, customizable welcome message pop-up that's working for you 24/7. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, and if you run into any snags or have questions about customizing your pop-up, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.